Dude,
hey, man, we're back at it again, man. We got a battery box here, Ezgo TXT. Battery box is broken half, corroded. What we're going to do is change it out. Normally, I don't do these type of videos. I just go with a troubleshooting video. But my man Mike here working with me, he told me I ought to do it. So we're going to see what it does. The first thing I'm going to do is zip tie. I'm just zip tying this harness out the way, that way I don't cut it. But the first thing we want to do is take 2 1/2-inch wrenches. You got a bolt here. Can you see it, Mike?
Yeah, you can see both.
All right, then you want to take it. I got gear wrenches here. If I can get it on there. I'm gonna take it. You're gonna take the nut off. Most of the time, man, you can't never get this nut off because the battery acid corrodes it. That's why I'm surprised that these bolts look as good as they do for the battery box corroded in half. Most of the time, you got to take a sawzall or a grinder and grind them off. But we're lucky this time, though. You know why, Mike? Because this is your first time doing this, and you got beginner's luck, brother.
Yeah, that's right. You're welcome. So where would you cut it if that bolt was bad? Would you just cut the bolt out?
Yeah, I would just cut the head of the bolt. Well, not the head. Yeah, I'll cut the head of the bolt on this side here.
Right. So that's what they would do if theirs was bad.
Mike, you take your side out, and what I'm gonna do? Yeah, and then what I'm gonna do is take it and grind. Well, then I'm gonna take the sawzall and cut my bolt out. Cut the battery box out. All right, Mike, make sure it don't move on us. Good. What you want to do is cut it. Take your battery box and cut it right here. So you take it and notch it here. All right. Let's see. Remember, with a sawzall blade, drill bit, anything, you don't want to cut it 374 miles an hour because you'll burn the blade up and ruin it.
Or skip and nick something.
Yeah, so you want to make sure that you cut it, but don't overdo it. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna move this. Just give me 1 second. If I don't cut it off, it's working though. Let's see. Might cut like this. Let's try it right here, Mike. Let's hold it right here, right? It moves there, don't it? Let's put it right there and see.
Don't try to turn your thing.
No. In 1 second, man. We're trying to rig up something here. We're gonna see if this works or not.
Probably gonna lean right on down.
Oh, look at that. Mike, I'm gonna see your phone and call my wife. 8-4.
Oh, you know
Not Dallas. I ain't gonna say my number here. I'll be getting called on her phone.
Yeah.
Let's see what she wants. Tell them to cut in here.
Hey, it's Miles. Oh, she's straight to voicemail.
She wants me to cut it again. What I'm gonna do is cut like this if I can get to it. There we go. I'm gonna take and cut it like this.
What you want me to say?
You see what you want? See what she wanted?
I got you.
Like I said, I'm gonna take it and cut it. It looks better in the back, Mike.
Hey, Thompson's cutting something with the sawzall. You okay?
That's how I'm making a video. Just how I'm making a video for YouTube. Don't mess it up.
There should be a variety of patterns. Different
Hey, just get the 6 or 9 inch.
6 or 9 inches.
It don't matter.
Correct. Yep. There's a few different type of metal ones. So it's like thin metal, thick metal.
Yeah, just tell her to get the bio metal or the medium metal.
Bio metal, medium metal.
I might watch that. We'll
Yeah,
take it and cut it.
No, man. Right. All right. Thank you, man. All right, bye. Oh yeah, it's trash.
All right. See, I see. If you look at it, I got a notch there. I got a cut. I got a cut right here. Now I got to cut it this way. We got a metal. Give me 1 second, man. All right, we got one more left. My wife went to get some blades. This might be the longest video in the history of YouTube. This here video gonna be longer than the sniper had on Trump. I mean, it took 20 minutes. They saw him for 20 minutes. He was up there. He done had Uber, brought him in McDonald's. I mean, he made homemade bullets. And they still couldn't see him up there. Man, he probably done a YouTube video. Oh, did you hear what he done though, Trump? The guy on his phone had the phone. Now, this is not a political video now, we're just talking.
Everything else you're seeing on the TV.
Yeah, he had his phone up there watching the thing too.
Oh, so he knew exactly.
In his car, he had bombs in his car. On his person, he had a electronic fireworks starter.
Oh, he was gonna blow up his car.
Blow his car, yep. If he got away.
Dude. You got them wires in the way. I'm just trying to hold it down. We're getting there, buddy.
Almost there. See, if you had a torch.
Right, it'd be gone.
If we had a torch, we'd just burn it with a torch, cut it. Or plasma cut or something. I'll wait till he gets here. Alright, let's see here. Now what we're going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and show you. Look at there one.
That's the guy checking in his cart.
I'm going to turn it. There it is. Yeah, I told Danny to put a note on the door.
Yeah, he did. The note was to come back in, yeah.
Yeah. No, your note was come through the fence.
I'll meet you at the front.
You got a key?
Key for the door?
Yeah. Come on. Yeah, all right, because they locked it.
What am I doing? Just checking the mail?
Yep. All right, now what we're going to do next, I'm going to finish cutting that. I'm going to get some blades here. You got a bolt here and a bolt here. 1/2-inch bolts. That's what you want to do. Now normally what we're doing here, man, we're putting an aluminum battery box in. Sometimes we put a metal one in and we just cut it here, cut it there, and weld it. But this guy wanted aluminum, so we're going with aluminum, so we're going to unbolt it and bolt it back up. So you got a 1/2-inch bolt here. So we're going to take these 2 bolts here out. Then You got one right here, same style. We'll take it. 1/2-inch wrench on the gun, impact gun. Alright, we got them 2 bolts out, 1/2-inch bolts. And then we're going to take 9/16 socket. So there's one on the top, there's one, I'll show you. There's one here and one here, 9/16. All right, we're gonna take that out. 3/8 bolt, 9/16 socket. I tell you, man, I got a good deal on these Hercules guns here. Harbor Freight Hercules, not the cheapest brand they make, but it's a 2nd grade. Man, don't be hesitant, man. I was scared about it because the price of them. But don't be scared, man. The value, I can't believe how good the value of it is. I use it every day and I ain't charged but one time. Now, on the style you have too, man, you won't have this style right here. Yeah, this is a 94, 95 Medalist with a new style body on it. And you can tell because the older carts have this seat support here to go around the frame for support for the seat. They done away with it in 95. No, excuse me. They done away with it in 96. I'm surprised this one here still has this seat support. So now we have to unbolt this to get this out. But man, I started working on golf carts and I went into the service. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about me, man. Normally I never do, but while we're making a long video, I'm gonna tell you. I went to the United States Navy when I was, let me see. When I was, got out of high school in 17, I graduated high school in 95. Went into the service when I was 17 years old. Excuse me. Yep, got out 17. Yep, I went in the service when I was 18 years old. Went to the Army. Well, I went to the Army to begin with, but I failed a drug test for marijuana. Not ashamed, man. 2024. Don't smoke no more, but I did back then. Well, believe it or not, the Army wouldn't take me because I got charged with possession of marijuana. Kids, drugs not worth it, man. Just waste your money. All right. But now that's behind me, I can speak on it. But so what I did is I went to the service. Did 2 years in the Navy, which makes no sense how I couldn't go into the Army, but I could go into the Navy, which makes no sense. So I did 2 years in the service, got out, and in 97, 99, you got out in 99. Started me a temporary job through a temporary agency here, putting tops on golf carts. At that time, man, I couldn't even change my own tire on my car. Didn't know what to do, and I took it and just ran with it, man. Learned the basics, and here I am, man. 99, 25 years later, man. I'm making a living, providing for the family. You know what I mean? So sky's the limit, man. You're in America. Well, I'm gonna cut these off here. I'm gonna take and cut these off because you don't need them, man. They're useless. Bring my blade back here. But that's how I started on golf carts, man. Learned the basics. Worked on 2-cycle. Went to Ezgo training in Augusta, Georgia. Got the highest level of qualification you can get for golf carts, which is a level 4 master mechanic. And then ran with it, man. You gotta do what you gotta do in life. Got that out of the way now. What I'm gonna do is take it and pull these out. When I first started doing this, man, there was maybe 3 or 4 golf cart places around. Now them bad boys are everywhere. I mean, golf carts, it's about like anything, man. When something takes off, people just jump onto it and try to get a piece of the pie. Now you got the Evolutions out there, all kinds of different Chinese brands. There's so many brands out there, I don't even know them more. All right. So I got that back support off there. And in the comments below, man, tell me how you like these long videos. I don't know how to edit them, so I don't know how to do that. So you got to watch it all the way through. Nice how aggravating this shit is. Sorry my language, man. Sorry my language. YouTube, don't flag me. There is a bolt for the battery box right there. You can look at it, there's a bolt. I'll show you, there's a bolt right there. In order to get that off, you gotta take the body off. So that's why I'm trying to cut this. I just realized my damn phone moved.
With that pack? That's what she sent me.
Yep.
I said it was fine too.
Alright, man, that's how you do it, man. I'm gonna end the video right here, man, because it's gonna be another 20 minutes. But like I said, man, you just want to, I know it didn't record like this, but you can see there, what you want to do is cut it there. Same thing on this side. Where's the other battery box at, Mike? And then just bolt up. If you got any questions, man, comments below, man. I try to answer every question I get answered. Every question. But all I say, man, is any of my viewers and my subscribers, do me a favor, man. If you comment on a video, can you watch the video before you ask me a question? And the reason why, man, because I get so many comments about any topic that sometimes, man, when you comment on a different video, different than what you're talking about, I'm thinking that you're talking about a cart that we're actually the videos on. But that don't bother me the most. The most thing is, man, all I ask, man, is watch the video, and then if you can't figure it out, feel free to ask any question. All right, don't just come to the comments and ask questions, because really what I tell you is in the video itself. But it is what it is, man. And this is what we put in here. Like I said, this guy wants an aluminum video. You can see you mount it there. You got your bolts here. All right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll post some more.